Hey guys, we are here reviewing Module 5, our Module 5 overview video. This week we're going to be talking about our interventions for our program. So this is our activities, what we're actually going to be doing, which is the really fun part, I think, about developing your program and where things, I think, kind of start coming together for most people. So we're going to be talking about intervention strategies and our unit plan. We also dive into session planning a bit at the end of the lecture, but the only thing that will be due, or the thing that you should be working on in this module, is your unit plan. So let's talk about, our objectives are listed here. And I want you to obviously be sure that you're following along with those objectives. But let's review these instructions. So you're going to watch, obviously, this video. Then you're going to read Chapter 8 and take notes as you read. Review the downloadable PowerPoints if you like to use those. And then watch the Module 5 lectures, okay? And this is super important because there's valuable information in all of the lectures that I put together. Then you're going to develop your unit plan. So this represents 6 different sessions, okay? And so this is the overview of your activities for your program. You're also going to complete your Unit 5 or Module 5 quiz and complete Discussion 3. So we have some extra resources here which are really helpful. Your Module 5 quiz is listed here. And your discussion board post 3. So writing objectives. What were 3 of the most significant challenges in developing your objectives for your program? Why do you think it was challenging for developing these? What strategies will you use to overcome these challenges? So think about when you wrote your objectives for your program. Think about how hard it was, what you struggled with, how you can improve, all of those things. Now let's back up just a bit about that unit plan. So let's go to our program rationale. And look at our template here. And for our rationale, scroll too far, guys. We are going to have to include unit plan here. So this week I need you to complete your unit plan. And again, this is an overview of your activities, what you're actually going to do. So you're going to have 6 sessions for your program. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sessions. Remember, they need to have a theme. So this is the topic or the idea of each session. You'll see here, be active every day, don't sit, be fit, be active everywhere. And these kind of match what you're actually going to be doing that day. And then give us an idea of what activities are included in each session, right? So don't forget that you're using this template. Remember, you've downloaded your program rationale template and you're filling it in. So you'll fill in the unit plan here, and it will be included for submitting your program rationale. Okay? So just to come back to Module 5 here, and realizing this is the last module before we submit our program rationale, okay? So be sure to complete this, review all of the other components of your program rationale, make sure that you're on track, and please ask questions, guys. If you have questions or concerns, please reach out to me, and I'd love to help you make these programs really strong and really good for this course.